So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and work around with the line spacing in the word editor of Terabox. So over here you can see that I have this generated text, and this generated text has a default line spacing. If you want to go ahead and change it, you can see the line spacing right here. So you can see that I can set it to 1 right here, which is less than default a bit. 1.15 is selected. You can also go ahead and make it 3 times. So you can see that there's 2 line spacing right here after each of the text line right here. You can also go ahead and select this out right here, and only the selected text, as you can see, for that the line spacing changes out. You can go around over here and go for line spacing option as well, and you can go ahead and choose whatever line spacing you want right here, just like this as well. From over here, you can even go for multiple line spacing, and then let's say, for example, have 4.5 line spacing right here. And before paragraph, you can even go ahead and you can define out points right here, and after paragraph, you can define out points as well. Even from the left side, you can go ahead and define out points, even for the right side, and that is what you have. So if I were to press OK, you can see that the line spacing changes out accordingly right here. So I added in a huge number, so that is what you have. Let me just go to line spacing right here and type in 0 for all of these right here. And line spacing right now is 45 lines, as you can see right here. So let's just go around over here onto multiple and type in 4 only, press OK, then you got 4 line spacing, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go ahead and set out line spacing in between the lines in a paragraph inside of Terabox word editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.